Welcome to another exhilarating live build here at Beyond the Brick. I'm Joshua Hanlon. That's Matthew K, and we will be building the brick bank for you today. I'm gonna stand here, up above my head. Okay, this not gonna be good. Again, hold it. You ready? Oh, I really don't want to do this, but it's $60 for Creations for Charity.
Oh!
Oh my goodness! I think that's the first time I've done that. That was so exhilarating. What did you think? I hope that met with your approval.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, he says yes. So now I'll switch the feed over to Matthew here.
I'm gonna do it the same way that Joshua did it. And
You just trying to be Godzilla now?
Oh, not your precious table.
yeah, I know. No, a little crap. It'll
Wow,
come in.
we had a feel you're picking up the set, but it was decent.
Yeah, it kind of just fell apart. So party foul on the set part.
Oh gosh.
Well, that was it.
There you go. Thank you for the donation. Creations for Charity will appreciate that. That was very generous of you from Japan there, so appreciate that.